Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Salesforce tutorial, we are going to learn how to configure object permission by using profiles in Salesforce. So, object permissions are very important in Salesforce because they control what user can do with the record, such as creating, reading, editing, or deleting a data. By the end of this video, we will learn what is object permissions are, where we actually find these object permissions in profiles, how to configuration this. So, these all points we will learn. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So first we need to start with what are object permissions in Salesforce. Object permissions define what action a user can perform on a specific object. So means, for example, currently I have a project object. In project object, I can create record, read record. For example, I open any one record, I can read, I can edit this record, I can delete this record, I can view all the record. Like when I click on honest views, I can leave all the record. So this is purely based on object permissions. So what are the types of object permissions? Where we can actually find this? So first we need to click on gear icon, go to setup, in search box type profiles. You can find multiple profiles. You need to select which profile you need to give the permissions. So currently I will go to finance. Once the finance profile is open, you just scroll below. Come to standard object permission. In here, we have a different types of object permissions like read, create, edit, delete, view all records, modify all records, view all fields like that. So, read means allows user to view the records of the object. Create means allow user to create new record. Edit means allow user to update existing record. Delete means allow user to delete the records. View all means user can view all the records of the object. So modify all means user can view, edit, delete all records of the object. So this is different types of object permission. So then how to give the permissions? So first you need to go to again top, click on edit button. Just scroll below. For finance user, you need to give the only read option. You can just click on read. If you need to give the create option also, you can select create. If you need to give the only the edit option, you can select edit. In standard object permission or in custom object permissions, you can give the permission. So whichever are permissions, for example, I have a projects. So projects, I will give read access, create access. I don't give edit, delete, view all records, modify all records, view all fields. I don't give this any permission. I will give only read and create. So let's save it, then log in as this user. Click on save. Then go to users. So just find the inner user. So we log in as this user. I just log in as a finance user profile. So I will just become projects. In this project, I can create new. For example, I will create one new record. The record is saved. So once record created, you can see I have the record, but I don't have the edit permission. Means in profile what I did, so I did give the read access, create access. So that's why I'm not able to edit or delete. In profile, if you give the edit option, then we can see the edit option in here. So we can do the same for standard object also, custom object also. So in this video, we learn what is object permissions are in Salesforce, different types of object permissions, how to configure the object permissions. So based on your project requirements, you can change. So I hope you understand these things. Thank you for watching.